Hello, I will try to demonstrate the PGM semi-automatic application and showcase how you can use it for your scrims and tournaments. This does not require a tournament license or PCOB access. You can just install it and start using it. So let's begin. So in the Manage Teams tab, this is where you will upload all your team details and player details via an Excel file, and the template for that will be provided to you, and you can just upload these player details. When you have done that, you can assign a country to them, or if you don't need it, you can just leave it blank. And then after, you can just move on to the tournament page. So this is where you will create your tournaments, the matches, your days, how many days your tournament will have. This is where you will manage everything. How it works is you just click new tournament and give it a name. The end date and description is optional. You can just leave it empty. And then you will click on manage days. So just click add, assign it to a group. Again, this is optional, but for it to appear in the overlay, you can just give it a name. And I'm going to add another one, so you can see how it looks. There you go. And then you can manage the matches. So you can just create one, create two, save. So now that your tournament day and match are ready, you can actually move on to the live manage match. So this is where you will control your survivor status for the match, and whenever your match has started, you can just so this is how it will look like. You can just click on play, and it will automatically populate the teams and the alive and eliminated status. So how it works is you will have 4 buttons for each players and 1 eliminate button for eliminating the team. It's pretty simple. So once a player gets eliminated, you can just click on it. It will automatically eliminate them. And once a team is eliminated, you can just click on it, and it will show the pop-up and eliminate the team. You can do that for pretty much every team. It will do it. And if ever you made a mistake, you can just restore it, and it will make the team alive again. So this is how it works. I kept it pretty simple so that because I know that during the end circles, the fights get intense and it's a bit difficult to manage. But if ever you want to add the kill numbers and the blue zone, etc., you can just ask. I will definitely add it. And yeah, so once your match is done, you can just stop the match and move on to the scoring. So how it works. So basically, this is how it looks like. You will need to initialize the tournament, do test, select the day and the match. Once that is selected, you can just do manual entry and it will load this table. So how it works is based on the positions of the team, like the placement, you'll drag them to wherever you want, like this, and it will automatically assign the placement points to this team. Once that is done, you can just do the kill points, and it will automatically add them. And once you are satisfied with the score, you can just click save standing. So now that it is finalized, it will look like this. It's up to 3 teams, and we're just going to do the second one, and just click on manual entry. It will load the table again. You move them based on your placement, like this, whatever you want, and then you will assign the scores, the kill points, sorry. You do that and just save the standing. So once that is done, you're satisfied, you can move to the day standing. This is where the overall standings are calculated. It is automatically calculated, and the rank change as well is calculated automatically. And if you're satisfied with the score, you can just click on save the day. Save, and yeah, this is reflected on the overlay now. We will show it to you later, and we can move on to the edit standing. So this is where you can deduct points to teams. I've already done that to one team, which you can see here, minus. So you assign the points here, and it will automatically deduct them. So yeah, let's move on to the integral standing. Here we will get all the matches that have been played for the day, and each different matches is displayed here, and you will get the total points. So this one you can give it to your casters, they can analyze it, give some insight on what's been going on, and they can use that. Finally, we have the post-match stats, which is the MVP, head-to-head comparison, winning team, top 4 players. These you can manually input them based on the data that you have. It's not necessary, but just to give some insights to your live stream to improve it visually, you can do that. And whatever stats you have, you can just assign it. You don't need to fill it. So if you're just going to do the MVP, you can just select a team, and the player will be automatically assigned. You can just check it, and if you are using the ID, you can change it and make it to whatever name you want, and assign the kills. That's it. You can just save it. Look like this. You don't need to do the damage, assists, and knockouts and everything. It's the same for the rest. You can do that. Just for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna fill everything. I'll show it to you later how it looks like. Yeah, so this is your main dashboard. You will get access to this. You can just you will be able to control your overlays with this, like this. So just a toggle will hide these things, these components. And yeah, let me show you how the match standings will look like with the data that I already saved. So yeah, this is the match standing for the overlay. So you can basically toggle them on and off. We look like this. Same goes for the overall standing. Look like this. Remember I deduct the points earlier. So this is how it looked like. The rank change as well, increase by 1, decrease by 1. Will look like this, and then you can just click on this. We'll go to the second page. So yeah, this is the overall standing. Now for the other stats that we have the winning team stats with the logo, the photos, and the stats. You can, if you have the player photos, you can change it, or else it will show the default image. We also have the top 4 players, which is the same, but whichever different teams. We also have the MVP. So yeah, it will show the player details. You can just add whatever stats that you have. It will not show the one that you don't fill. We also have the head-to-head, which look like this. You can change whatever stats again. And also we have the played matches overlay, where we assign the winning teams to each overlay, to each matches, sorry. So yeah, so this is pretty much the whatever we have on the in terms of overlays. We also have the Discord webhook, which is like this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So once your stats is ready, you can just click on send to Discord. It will take a screenshot, and then it will show it here on the overlay. Sorry, in your own Discord channel. So it's very good if you want to update your player base on how the your stats, your match standing is going on. It works the same for the overall ranking as well. You can just click here, it will take a screenshot, and then it will send it to Discord. This is pretty neat. So if you like it, just let me know. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to me on Discord, and the link will be in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.